Failure isn't the end. It's just the start of something new. It's not a verdict. It's a wake-up call. You failed? Great. That means you cared enough to try. It means you're in the game, pushing your limits. Failure isn't about the fall. It's about refusing to get up. So here's the real question. Will you rise again? Every comeback starts with one powerful choice. The choice to grow, not give up. To rise stronger, not run away. Failure? It's a lesson dressed in disguise. Uncover it, embrace it, and let it shape you into something unstoppable. Forgive yourself for falling, but don't use it as an excuse. Take ownership. Own every piece of it, then let it light a fire inside you. The sting of failure is temporary, but the pride of rising again, that's a feeling that lasts forever. Start small. Take that first step forward, then another. Each step builds momentum, and every little win chips away at the weight of defeat. The world loves a comeback. Why? Because it reminds us that the human spirit is unbreakable. Be the hero of your own story. Your failures don't define you. What defines you is your resilience, the way you rise, rebuild, and refuse to quit. So stand tall, dust yourself off, step back into the fight. Your comeback isn't just a story, it's your legacy. Now go make it legendary. Subscribe to unlock potential and start your journey toward transformation today.